My hypothesis for this project is if we change the angle that we release the pendulum or the bubble gum with the string, it will not affect the period that it has. So the materials you'll need for this experiment are a hammer and nail, protractor, piece of gum to hang from the string, yarn for the string, a nice long straight edge to mark the angles, and some scissors to cut the yarn. Okay, ready, go. 1, 4, 5. Ready, go. 1.6. The average for 90 degrees was 1.48 seconds. The average for 75 degrees was 1.47 seconds. Average for 60 degrees, 1.46. For 45, 1.4. For 30 is 1.39. For 15 is 1.27. The average for the piece of gum throughout all the trials was 1.41. And if we do the equation, which is the period of a pendulum equals 2 pi times the square root of the length of the string divided by gravity. So we'll go ahead and measure the length right here. Comes out to 0.47 meters. And of course gravity is 9.8. When you plug it into our calculator, it comes out to 1.38. It's pretty dang close. So our hypothesis was that the angle that the bubblegum takes before it's launched does not affect the period it will have. And you can see the numbers are pretty close, but some of them are a little bit off, and that's due to timing errors, not getting it exactly precise. And then also the air friction, and also whenever I launch it, sometimes it hit the board and would spin, and that would affect the period also.